Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on recycling paper. Recycling paper helps save trees and forests. When we recycle paper, it gets turned into new paper products. This means we don't need to cut down as many trees. Saving trees is important because they give us oxygen and clean air. Trees also provide homes for many animals. Recycling paper uses less water and energy than making new paper. It reduces the amount of waste in landfills. Schools, homes, and offices can all help by recycling paper. You can recycle newspapers, notebooks, and cardboard. By recycling paper, we help protect the environment and our planet. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.